Irish Joy, coming to you live in Riley's Mind. And we are expecting a great championship today with the Foghorns. Riley fans, get up on your feet and make some noise! Let's go, Foghorns! Bring it in! Foghorns on three. 1, 2, 3, Foghorns! Greet your Team Riley! Playing in his 13th year and fresh from the penalty box, it's Riley's Anger!
Let me at him! Helmet, pads, gloves, safety checklist is complete. It should be nothing but smooth sailing from here. Ah, look out!
And that's Fear, keeping Riley on her toes.
We gotta get our mouth guard, people!
No, that's not Empress! And that, folks, is the infamous Disgust. Glad to have her on our team.
28, Anderson, tripping!
Oh, no. And bringing up the rear, you know